Good evening. I'm here with Philip Ko, the best player of the game for Team Sky Blue. Philip, you have 23 points and you have 5 threes. What can you say about the communication, the rotation of the ball movement, and insights for the game this day?
First of all, I just want to thank God for giving us this time to play and lahat ng teammates ko na yung teamwork namin, yung communication sa loob, may tiwala kami sa isa't isa. Pinapasa namin, kita niyo naman yung rotation ng bola. Pag open, tira. Kumbaga lahat pwedeng tumira. Basta open, walang makikita nyo, konti lang yung 4 shot at saka turnover. Tapos bumabawi lahat kami sa defense, lahat gumagalaw.
Okay, second question. Since pasok na kayo sa semifinals, what do you see as an advantage na pwede kunin nyo sa this around the elimination?
Ang nakikita ko lang is yung kumpiyansa namin kasi wala pa kaming talo. Tapos yung laro ng bawat isa nakukuha na namin. Kumbaga kasi lahat nakukuha namin laro namin. Tapos yung tamang position ng bawat player, sino yung mga shooter, sino yung mga bibigyan sa ilalim, yung tamang timing ng pagkat. Tsaka maganda yung play ni Brian, yung mga play namin. Kita nyo naman yung pagkat, yung pagbigay ng screen. Tamang ball rotation.
Aywa, so thank you guys. Here with me, Philip Ko again. Congratulations, 3-0. Walang appeal ka.
Shout out.
You want any shout out to the family, friends?
Shout out sa wife ko.
Aywa.
Sumusuporta sa anak ko kay Zoe.
Aywa.
Saka sa mga nanonood, lahat ng mga saka sa Liwan family. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Here with me, Philip Ko. Congrats. Good night.
Thank you.